Hello guys, welcome to HTML web designing course. My name is Wasim and today we are going to start our lecture number 17. Before starting the lecture, I will request to everyone please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites very easily. Now, so today in this lecture you can see we have completed the logo area and menu is also created. New sticker is completed and the slider is completed, so you can see that our header area and slider is almost complete now today in this lecture we are going to create the sidebars, how we can create the sidebars more attractive. So this is the left sidebar is used for the links that if I have more than one websites or I want to route my audience to Google or hotmail.com, so I can put the links in this sidebar, left sidebar, or you can do according to your design. What I will do according to my design, I will put a link here as this is I can also put here my lecture number 1, lecture 2, lecture 3 for the HTML links also. And here this is normally right sidebar is used for the advertisement that is given to you by the Google AdSense. So you will put the images for your AdSense here. From there you can earn money if anyone will click on those images. Now today we will do this thing, how we can do this. But first of all, if you will see, this is our content area, and in content area you can see the some part of the slider is in this div. First of all, I will do what? Just to remove this thing, I will increase the height of the slider. So in the style sheet, you can see this is the slider. Let me show you this thing also in the index file. Here you can see this is the slider code and this is the ID for the slider. This is the div, right? Now what I will do is I will go to this ID and I will increase the height. I will write here 8. I will save this, refresh my browser. You can see the height of the slider is increased now, right? Now what I will do, I will increase it to like 387. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see now it's looking perfectly all right. You can see the website is looking very good. Half of the website. Now come to the sidebar. First of all, we will remove this border area because this was just for your understanding. As this is the content area, first of all I will find the content area div in the index file. This is my slider code. Here we come. You can see this is the content area main div and these are two divs, sidebar right and sidebar left. Hope you understand this thing. Now what we will do is, first of all, basically these are the three divs. One is on the left side, second one is this one, and the third one is this. So I will put a one div also here, div. I will put a class here. The name of the class I will put here content, right? You can see I will put home content because on other pages, when we will create other pages, then at there we will put the name content like this, right? So this is the ID content and I create the class here content. Now you can see these are the three divs, 1, 2 and 3. Now first of all we will remove the border. How we can remove the border? As this is the content ID, you can see in the index HTML, you can see this is the ID main div. So this is the ID. First of all I will remove this border. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the border is disappear now. Now what I want to do is, the most important thing that I want to clear you, in the website everything should be in the symmetry. If you are using the black color, then the website should be in the black color, which is this called the symmetry of the website. And your text is white, then your text should be white in, like if the background is black, your text should be white according to your design. Like, I want to just clear you that the symmetry of the background colors should be same and the font color should be same. Font family, sorry, font family, right? Now first of all, I will put the background color here. You can see what we will do is, first of all, I will do what? I will put this color black. This is left sidebar. Let me show you in the index.html. You can see this is the left sidebar. The div class is left sidebar. So in the style, I will put here black color. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the color is black now. Now what I will do is, I will put the link in this sidebar. How I can put the link in this sidebar? In this sidebar, in this div, I will remove this line, left sidebar, right? And here I will put, first of all, what I will write here, link, anchor tag, anchor closing tag, in which I will write here lecture 1, right? And here I will put hyperreference. I will write here hash. Later on you can put here the link. Now one link I have created, I will copy this, like I will put here for the 4 times. I will save this, refresh my browser just to show you this thing. You can see this is not in the correct form. I want these things here. Also you can see the layout of the design is totally changed. Why this is changed? Because on the main div we have put the line height. This is the main reason. The line height we put here just to show you our text in the center of the divs. So what I will do, let me show you this thing also. I will simply go to CSS, and here in the content ID, this one is my content ID, I will remove this line height. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the links are on the top now. Now what we have to do is, in the left sidebar and in the right sidebar, we will put the heights, because I have told you in the last lecture that whenever we are going to create any div inside the main div, we will define the height. You can see here, this is my left sidebar div and this is right sidebar div CSS, but we have not mentioned here any height. So simply I will put a height here 500 pixel. In the same way, here I will put height 500 pixel. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see it is now like the design. Now what I want these links in a one line. For this purpose, what you will do is, simply you can understand this is my left sidebar div with the class left sidebar, and this is my anchor. So what I want my anchors in one line. So I will write CSS dot left sidebar space A. Hope you are understand this thing. Now let me show you this thing in the CSS, that how you can do this. I will go to the CSS. This is dot left sidebar class. Under this I will make one class dot sidebar space a, and in between I will write the CSS. What I will write here, first of all I will write here float left. Why I use this float left? Because we use the float left that all links should be in left side in one line. And I will write here the width. My total width is 200 pixel for this sidebar. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see these links are in one line. Now what I want to change the color, so I will write here color property and I will write here color white. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see these are showing in the white color, and I can also put the height here, right? I will put a 20 pixel height. I will save this, refresh my browser. Right now what I want to do is I want to remove this line, this underline design, right? How I can remove this? I will write here text decoration none, right? I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see that underline is disappear now. Hope you understand this thing. Now I will increase the height 20 to 30 just to show you the difference. Here you can see some difference here, right? Now what I want to show the heading here. Like there should be some heading which can tell what about these links are. For this purpose, in the index file I have put these links. Before that I will put here like h4 opening and closing tag, and here I will write here web design course. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see nothing but the text is there. Because of the black color you cannot see that. For this we will write the CSS like dot left sidebar h4. Under this A I will write here a new CSS. Like I will copy the class name just to avoid the errors. I will put a dot here as this is my class, and here I will put h4 as this is my h4 brackets, and in these brackets I will write here the property. Like I will write here width 200 pixels, and then I will put the color white just to show you the text. I'll save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the web design course is showing here. What I want to show this heading as a red background, let's say. So for this purpose what I will do, I will write here background color. I will choose some color from here, right? I will choose this color, red. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the background is implemented here. But now the thing is this, I have told you that whenever you are going to write the heading or ULs in your CSS, immediately you will write margin and paddings 0. So I will write here margin 0 pixel. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see this is on the top. Now what I want some padding here. Now if I will put here padding 0 pixel, I will save this, refresh my browser. You will see there is nothing. But in the last lectures I have told you we can put here like padding for the top and bottom. I will write here 10 pixel and left and right 0 pixel. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see it's looking very good, very nice. These are all center lines. Why these are all center line? Because here in my main div you can see we have put a text align center. If I will remove this from here, right, so you will see as ultimately we have to remove this text align when we will work in the content like here. I have removed that and you can see now all your links, all your data are on left side. Now what I will do in these three divs CSS, I will write accordingly text align center, right, not in the main div, because if we will put text align center in on all the main div, then all the data of these divs will be center. Like if I will put anything here, that will also in the center. Hope you understand this thing. So on the left side bar here I will put text align center. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see, right? So in this way you can create all the links. So in this way you can create the sidebar left side with the links. And now on the right sidebar, these sidebars are for the images. In my design you can put your images or anything here. For this purpose I have downloaded these three images for your understanding. Now what I will do is, and I have put these images in our images folder where we have save our logo and banner. Now what I will do is simply, this is my right sidebar. Here I will do what? I will remove right sidebar button here, and here I will put one image tag. I will write here source code and I will close this. In this, because I have images in images folder, I will write here slash and I will write here add1.jpg. Let me check the name. You can see the name is here, right? add1.jpg. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see one image is showing there. Now what I want to do, I will copy this because I want to show the three images. I will paste it here and paste it here. Now I will write here 2 and here I will write 3 because I have three images. You can see add 2, add 3. I will save this and show you the output. You can see these are here. Now I will remove this color. So in the right sidebar, when we come in the right sidebar, you can see this is the color. I will remove this color from here like this, right? I I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see 3 images are showing here, but what I want to do is I want these images CSS. Here I want to write the CSS for these images. I want the border, and I will increase some width. For this purpose, what I will do is, as this is the image in the index.html file, you can see this is my class right sidebar space image. So in the CSS here I will write here dot right sidebar image, right? In the same way I will put here width. First of all, what I will put here, I will put here width 200 pixel, right? And I will define the height for my image is 150 pixels. Now what I want the border. I will put here the border 1 pixel solid, and I will put the color black. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see these are looking very good, very awesome, right? We can also put the margin here. We can increase the margin, like I will put here margin bottom 10 pixel. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the images are now with the margin bottom. Hope you understand this thing. So in this way you can make the sidebars. Hope you understand everything. If you do not understand anything, you can comment me. I will answer your questions. So this is for all today. If you like my video, please thumbs up my videos, subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites very easily. Thank you so much.